video I showed you how to propagate sweet basil? Well, look at here. It is all ready to plant. Look at those beautiful roots on that. And they say you got to get them about good 2 inches long, and that's what they are. So let me tuck it back down in water. So today I'm going to plant them, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Real easy. Once I find my scissors. Also, I didn't want to plant them in a great big container because I'm going to leave them on my back porch for a little while. So, down at my hardware, $3 little oil pans, and I drilled 4 little drain holes in the bottom of them. They're going to work beautiful for $2.70. So, that's what I'm going to use. And then I got some good Miracle Grow potting mix for it. Only because I have used up all my compost. But anyway, I'm just going to pour this right in here. And yes, it's in my sink. I'm not going to get it in my sink. Just in the barrel. Okay. So we got that in there. Break some of this up a little bit. Okay. I think maybe I could use a little bit more of that. That should be good. I'll top it off after I get them planted. But this will be perfect. And these you can almost set in a sunny spot and grow right in your house. And you don't have to have a tub this big. You can grow them in a small one. Anyway, let's see here. We got quite a few, so I'm going to plant most of these right in here. Just so you can see, I'm just going to dig down in here and put it right in there. And these will do beautiful in here. They're absolutely gorgeous and very, very healthy. So let's see. Look at this one. This one had 2 of them that were together. We'll put that in the middle. And when I get them planted in there, look at the roots on that thing. Holy cow. This will be their final home. There we go. I got one left. I'm going to plant that, I believe, in my other tote. So, I'm going to spray this down a little. Get it all nice and wet. They're going to love this. Now, basil you can set in a nice sunny spot, and they tend to like drier soil. So you won't have to water them so much. But they're beautiful for growing inside. We're going to fill that in there. All around the edges. And yes, I make a mess, but that's alright. It works, and it works nicely. It's easy to clean. Alright. We'll rinse the plants off as we water. And there's nice drain holes in the bottom of this pan too, and these will do beautiful. You will have an endless supply of basil. If your basil gets looking shabby, just root some more, propagate some more, and it'll do really well. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that in here to drain for a little bit. Rinse my mess up. And that's how simple that is, friends. Take a look. That's how easy that is. Nice pot. Here, I'll lift this up. A nice deep pot. And that'll be pretty. I'm going to set that outside. I'm going to leave it in the house till I get it good and watered, and then I'll put it outside on my outside table. But there it is, friends. I got one more to plant, and give it a try. They're healthy. It works real good. And you know what? That's not the only thing you can propagate. You can propagate a lot of your herb plants by just, you know, a cutting and putting them in water. But it's fantastic. Rosemary is another one that works very, very well with this. I've done it many times, and it all works good. So give it a try. Thanks for watching.